Today I'm going to show you how to clean your can and air filter. Stop throwing these things away. They're reusable. What you're going to do is get your can and cotton air filter cleaner. And you're going to take it and you're going to spray it on there pretty thick. Make sure you do all sides. And I'd already cleaned this once, but it was quite filthy beforehand. I'm just doing it one more time. Alright, and then you're going to let that sit for 10 minutes. And we'll be back. The next thing you're going to do is rinse it out. Alright, once your filter is looking pretty white, you're going to take the filter oil here and make sure each ridge is coated perfectly. Just like that. Alright, and then you're going to want to wipe off all your excess oil. And then let this dry for a little bit. And then you can see I'm going to have to come back and apply a little bit more. But that's how you clean and refurbish your K&N air filter.